I welcome you all for the seminar presentation on AI for project management for managers. So this is the proposed agenda for the seminar. And before moving to the seminar presentation, let us understand much better, the learning objectives of the today's session. See, first of all, what do you mean by a project management? And what are the main variables to be considered for the project management operation? So before going to start any project in an organization, first thing is resource leveling, resource constraint. So these things to be kept ready. And next, efficient team participation in completing each and every task in the project in a coordinated manner, and also challenging various technical and non-technical risk system in doing the project management. Then ensuring better customer satisfaction by facilitating continuous improvement process in every stages of project management. So these are the different things to be considered as a more important weightage for an effective project management. And next thing, implementing various latest technologies, say AI. So this can able to improve the speedness in decision making, tracking various activities in the project management system as more or less similar to human being with more better clarity, precision, and efficiency. Now let us go with the topic of introduction, the use of AI in project management as overall glance. So in today's organization, there are many AI virtual assistants, the platforms are being developed. So especially in the case of project management division, so a number of AI virtual assistants are used by different executive managers. So today in this seminar, I'm going to show one demo on the project management virtual software as a case study, just for 2 to 3 minutes. So from that, you will come to know how far the virtual assistants are considered to be more supportive in nature for the human mankind in order to take the speedy decisions while executing a particular task in the project operations. And next comes the role of AI in project management operation. The main primary thing of AI is to analyze the past and present the project data. So it will take the past project information and also the current existing project data in order to perform the forecast analysis for undergoing an effective decision making by identifying the so-called risk involved in the project, by considering all uh, different variety of challenges which is ongoing inside the organization. How to use this technology AI as a project engineer, as a virtual project engineer? So developing machine learning algorithms. So using this method, we can able to analyze the project data in order to sensitize the better forecasting outcomes and find out what are all the issues uh, faced by the project managers in day-to-day professional life. And also we can keep a better prediction by helping the project managers by anticipating all the risk which is yet to come over in the future, by properly planning each and every schedule of the event in the project, by 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 better guiding the people that leads to success in timely completion of the project. So in this way, the artificial intelligence considered to be supportive tool for the middle level management persons. So next thing, how AI technology makes a big, huge impact on project management. The first thing is better job selection and job prioritization. So this is the first main operation when you carry out any project in the industrial sector. So with the help of the so-called machine learning algorithms, we can able to process the current data into the domain, and it can able to detect different the patterns of decision making. Accordingly, we can able to find out the better solution by making random predictions with less minimal number of errors. Say, for example, in the case of job selection and job prioritization, say a person has got two or multiple number of projects in hand. So he has to select which project to be carried out at present in the current duration. So depending on the project deadline, the time due date, so we can able to find out which one will be the better option to be begin. The next one, supportive for the project management office. The AI tool, how it provides a better support for the project management office. So frequent monitoring of each and every work in process task in the project operation, and also it can able to anticipate what are all the potential problems coming out uh, while implementing the project, and that will be solved one by one automatically without the intervention of human project managers. And automatic generation of project reports that will be circulated to the human managers by gathering a suitable feedback from them. Then improved high accuracy in planning and reporting. So this is one of the most high sensitive area in project management. Say new applications, say big data and machine learning. These are the tools that can be used to help the middle level managers in order to anticipate the various risks involved in the project operation. Say, for example, if any one activity considered to be a more abnormal, so which is going beyond the minimum expected completion time, so we have to crash those particular activity and we have to bring it to the earliest completion as possible. So these things will be continuously monitored by the AI technology. Then developing many virtual project assistance system. So the main purpose of the digital assistant is to gather the data from the human project manager from the past time entries. It can accurately plan the information by providing an overall the context in order to identify the criticality of the project data information. Let us see one example. So project management Auto is the name of the virtual assistant software. So this is what I'm going to show as a demo in the case study. The next few slides later. So this machine learning enabled virtual project management software is primarily developed and used for the civil the construction work application. See here, uh, it is more or less like a chat GPT. So user-friendly interface software. Say for example, if an individual wants to do a painting operation on the wall for the next week availability as per the work constraint. So a manager asks a query to the virtual assistant whether the particular individual is free from the work or he has some the tight schedule for the next available entire week or not. So let us see what sort of reply the virtual assistant provides to the project manager. So here comes the reply given by the virtual assistant. So it will try to identify the previous similar task done by the same person allotted to him, and in turn it will reply to the project manager by stating that the concerned person requires another extra 2 weeks to complete the work, not exactly within 1 week, as per the request made by the project manager. So whether any adjustment has to be done as per the project schedule or not. So this kind of thing will be sent as a request to the project manager by the virtual assistant. So you can able to see the degree of interaction between the machine and the human project manager, how flexibly we can able to plan and schedule various individual the item of interest in the project operation. And next, the role of project manager will be entirely changed in the case of the AI impact. So initially, many project managers will try to hesitate in order to equip themselves, but if they feel more useful and valuable one, so they don't develop any scary thought in their mind, because today new changes are needed in order to take our business to the next level as per the availability of new technology. And I'm going to spend some few minutes for demonstrating this case study. So this is the software workbench, the virtual assistant software, that is project management auto. Say for example, if you want to ask any query to the virtual assistant related to the daily routine, the project management task, say for example, how to schedule the concurrent task, that is parallel activity in project. Send a request to the virtual assistant. It will sense the given information provided by the human user. Accordingly, it will reply favorably to the human user. So in this way, the virtual assistant support to the project management people who are in the middle level. This is just a small demo I have shown for you. Now let us go with the conclusion of the seminar presentation. So with this a few basic available information, now we have moved over to the final conclusion of seminar presentation. So before concluding the main points, just I would like to summarize the main important thing which we have seen in the past few slides. So the use of AI technology in project management application will definitely bring a big impact oriented change by automating the regular human related task, by improving the better decision making and reducing the so-called the project management risk, so that we can able to safeguard the huge loss from several risks arising out from the project management operation, and also implementing AI solutions that will bring the business to the next level by having huge investment in the latest technology, and also the organization can gain lot of attention by retaining its competitive status in the global level. So with this, I thank each and every one of you. So in the next meeting, we will see another interesting topic in the same domain. So thank you, one and all present here.